Iron recycling is an important industrial process that converts waste metal into valuable raw material. At the factory level, this iron process follows several controlled steps to ensure quality, strength, and efficiency.
Inputs. The scrap is loaded into the electric arc furnace, where intense electricity melts it into molten iron.
The process begins with the collection of scrap iron from different sources.
This step helps prevent contamination during the melting process.
In the sorting area, powerful magnets are used to separate iron and steel from non-ferrous metals.
Proper sorting is essential to achieve high-quality iron.
Smaller pieces melt faster and more evenly inside the furnace, improving efficiency. Most factories use electric arc furnaces or induction furnaces for this purpose. At this temperature, the scrap iron melts and turns into molten iron.
Temperature holding steady at 1490 Celsius.
Perfect. The composition is consistent. Log the data.
As the iron melts, impurities and unwanted elements rise to the surface in the form of slag.
This slag is carefully removed using special tools. Removing slag improves the purity, strength, and durability of the final iron product. These molds shape the metal into billets, ingots, or bars. The pouring process is done carefully to avoid air bubbles and defects. Controlled cooling helps prevent cracks and internal stress.
Surface cleaning and finishing are also performed to improve appearance and usability.
Each iron piece undergoes final inspection. Strength, size, and surface quality are checked to ensure the product